Hey Dougie, how you going, mate?
All right, Paul. Yeah, good. Thanks.
That's good.
Very good.
That's good. The good little fishing boat, eh?
Excellent, mate. Excellent.
And with the offset cabin, it gives you that walk room around the front, easy to get the anchor, eh?
When you come in by yourself to mooring and that sort of thing. Yeah, excellent, Paul.
And what about the motor? It's got a 120, so it must get along.
20 horsepower Cummins diesel
Nice.
turbo. Yeah.
Economy?
Very good. Very economy. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
What, about 3 litres an hour?
Probably about that. Yeah.
Yeah. Why did you buy it? What do you like about it?
The way I can walk right up to the bow on it. That's the best thing about it. Plus it's an inboard diesel.
And the transom door there too, mate, that must be easy to get on and off.
Very easy, Paul. Yeah, very easy. 2 railings to grab hold of. I'm a rubber ducky up there. No worries at all.